Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're an OG subscriber. Shout out to you. So today I'm going to be flexi riding my hair. Y'all have been dragging me and y'all have been so ready for me to film this video, and I finally decided to film it because so many people have been asking for it. So here we go. I'm going to show you how I get my flexi rod hair. In this video I do give you different alternatives. So I do it one way, but I do tell you how you can do it any other way that you may choose. If you are a new watcher, hey girl, make sure you subscribe. But you are lucky you found this video before my subscribers found me, because they was about ready to cut my head off for this video. So here we go. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and let's just hop straight into it. Oh, make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Y'all already know. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so I just co-washed my hair, and if you want to see my wash day routine, I do have a video on that, so go check it out. But I'm about to just blow dry my hair. I usually blow dry it because it just comes out a lot smoother, and I've tried just flexi rodding this and it don't really work out that well for me. So I like to blow dry my hair. If you want to do completely heatless, you can just stretch your hair overnight and then flexi rod it the next night, but that's gonna take too long, so I just blow dry it. All right, so I'm just gonna section off the hair and I'm gonna blow dry it in sections. It just works the best for me. You can do as big of a section or as small of a section as you want. All right, we're all done. Look at all this hair, y'all. Whew. So I really didn't even blow dry it like how I really wanted to, because my arms got tired. So hopefully it comes out good tomorrow. But yeah, usually I'll blow dry the heck out of it, but honestly, like, my arms are killing me right now. Sometimes I will run a flat iron through it just on a very low heat setting just to get it a little flatter. I might do that, I'm not sure. But I do also use a flat iron to tap my roots, because as you can see, my roots are still kind of curly, which I don't like. It doesn't really look good with the finished outcome. If you don't mind, then definitely stay completely heatless. There's ways to stay completely heatless, but I like to just tap my roots on a low temperature setting, not anything too crazy. Just to knock the curls out of my roots, because I can't get them with the blow dryer. All right, I actually decided that I am going to run my flat iron through it, just to show you guys, number one, but also I feel like my hair is just a little bit too big. So I'm not going in with any type of technique. I'm literally just running my flat iron through my hair, just making it a little bit more flat. While I'm doing this, I'm also just making sure to tap my roots just to knock those curls out that I was talking, well, not the curls, but the waves that I was talking to you guys about. So yeah. All right, so as you can see, this side is just a little more tamed than this side. It's less frizzy as well, so I feel like this side will just come out way smoother, whereas this side will just be a lot more frizzy when I take it out in the morning. And I want something more smooth, especially for when it starts to fall. When it's frizzy, when you first take it out and just not, you know, smooth, once it falls, it's just going to turn into a frizzy mess. But once the smooth side falls, trust me, like, it's going to look bomb. You're going to have like these waves, these beautiful waves. Just trust me. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now we are all tamed, and now I'm ready to put the flexi rods in. Again, this step is totally optional. Hair in your mouth is optional too. I'm gonna make sure my part is how I want it. I'm gonna use my Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, and I'm just going to make sure that my hair is moisturized because you don't want no dry flexi rods. And also I feel like if it's dry, it's just not gonna come out right. It's not gonna be as smooth, number one. As you can tell, I'm all about the smoothness, and you just don't want, you know, your hair to be dry, because I mean, who wants dry hair? Like, let's be honest. I love this oil and it smells amazing, so I'm just gonna put that all over my hair. I don't know if y'all can see, but it literally added all this shine like already. So yes, I love this oil, and I also try to focus it on my ends too to get all the juice into the ends. All right, so as far as parting, I do pretty big sections in the back. Maybe that might be a little too big. Hold on. Did I even... I didn't even take any hair out. Okay, so I'll probably do like this size section in the back. I like to do bigger sections in the back and then smaller sections in the front. All right, so I take the purple ones and I put those towards the back just because they're the biggest ones that I have. I'm pretty sure the gray ones are the biggest ones, like of all flexi rods. Girl, I don't know. But I do always twist away from my face. And then I don't even know how to explain how to lock it in, but I just bend it. And if it comes loose, then I just do it over again. It's, you know, nothing too complicated, y'all. I just make sure that it doesn't come loose, and then I move on to the next one. So I'm pretty much just going to be taking basically that size section all over this side of my head and then go from there. Every time I say I'm gonna go get new flexi rods, I just never do. And I don't know why, but I just never do. I just always end up making it work with what I have. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. See, sometimes I kind of suck at it. So I don't know if you can see, but the end is like sticking out. I just never know how to like really get it in there. So maybe I should bend it this way. Good enough. Okay. All right, so for the top, I just make sure to get a section that is pretty much just going to be like, I guess, my bang area. It's not really going to be a bang, but you know what I mean, like just the front part. I make sure to section that off, and then whatever's left, I just split that into 2 because I have 3 left for this side. And orange is my smallest one. I'm not sure if that is the smallest flexi rod that there is, but that's the smallest one that I have. So I just use that one towards the front. Okay, so that's one side, and now we gotta do the other side. So I'm probably just gonna speed through it, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm literally doing the same thing. So let's just get it started. Okay, so we are all flexi rodded up. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep tonight. I'm probably gonna sleep terribly, but you know what? My hair is gonna be popping in the morning, so that's all that matters. So I usually just stuff all of this into a bonnet. I don't know where my bonnet is, so I have to go find my bonnet. So yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. It is 12:55. I need to go to bed. I'm tired. I have a lot to do tomorrow, so I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. So I slept in my flexi rods last night, and it was about like 8 hours or so. So now we're about to take them out, and this is my bonnet. I got it just from like my local beauty supply store, but I'm sure you can find one somewhere else. And the inside of this is like silk satin or whatever. So that's why I like this one. Also, another thing I forgot to mention last night, I don't use any product just because I like for my hair to fall just a little bit. So I just like to use like moisturizing oils and stuff. But as far as like a holding product, I don't really use that. But you definitely can. You can use like a type of like holding gel or something, or like even hairspray if you want to use hairspray. I just personally don't use any product just because I don't like for my hair to be hard. I like it to be like soft, fluffy. All right, so I'm just getting ready to start taking them out. All right, last one. Thank you, Jesus. Is that the last one? Yes. Okay, so here is how we're looking. All right, so now I'm just about to pick them apart so I don't leave it like this. I do pick it apart. So I'm gonna take some more of my Olaplex bonding oil. I love this stuff. If you don't want to use the Olaplex bonding oil, I know it is a little bit pricey. I do have an alternative that I love, and y'all already know, if you're a subscriber, you already know what oil I'm finna talk about. And it is the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Penetrating Oil, and you can use that to put in your hands to pick it apart. And you can also use that once you start to put in the FLEXI rods. Remember how I was putting oil in my hair? So you guys can use that. It's much cheaper, but I use this just because I do have highlights and blonde hair, and I just want to keep it super moisturized. So I'm actually going to put this on my fingertips, rub it in my fingertips, and then just start picking them apart. If some of them kind of unravel like this one, I'll just try to like finger twist it to put it back together. All right, so here's one side. As you can see, the roots are nice and smooth. Also didn't take the front piece out. I'm gonna do that in a second, but I just do the back parts just to make sure all those chunky ones are apart. I'm just gonna do the same to the other side, put some oil on my fingertips, and then go from there. Okay, so for my front pieces, I like to strategically go diagonal so that the front part is a little triangle. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of a triangle, but I make sure to always have that little triangular front piece because I feel like that just frames my face, and then the rest I just separate if it's like too big or whatever. I'm just gonna separate this into two. So again, on this side, as you can see, this is the section. So I will go and get a little piece from the front. And it's like a little triangle. And this will be my little face framing area. And then I just separate the rest. That can stay like that, yeah. And that is my hair. So simple. I love it. I love how it came out. It will drop a little bit, which I do enjoy. And as far as the back goes, I just try to like make sure that it's not looking just straight split down the middle. So I'll just kind of finger pick it just like this, just to join everything together. All right, I threw on some makeup. This is the finished look of my hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is so bomb. It did fall just a little bit, but that's really what I love, is it falling, and it just gives me like these waves instead of like full blown curly Sue. You know, it just looks way more grown and sexy to me. So yeah, that is how your girl flexi rods her hair at night. I just re-flexi rod it, or if I don't want to flexi rod it, I'll do a flat twist just going back, and that preserves the curls as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know y'all been begging me for it, so here we go. Hopefully you guys loved it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.